Hey yo, what's going on guys? Turtleplays. I am on a roll this month. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing Alastor's voice from Hazbin Hotel. I haven't actually watched all of Hazbin Hotel. I've watched a few snippets of it and I've watched Hellish of a Boss. So I might not be an expert on this, but I tried. Anyways, let's get right into it. Alright, so what you're going to need for this is vocoder, distortion, pitch, high pass, low pass, and equalizer. For vocoder, you're going to need a mix of 8 and an effect of Feel This, and it should be at the very bottom of the effect list. Next is distortion. You're going to need a mix of 8, a drive of 16, and a volume of 35. For pitch, you're going to need a mix of 26, pitch of 60, and you can change this depending on if you have a higher voice or a lower voice. You just kind of mix it around until you find it how you like it. Humanizer off. Next is high pass. You're going to need a mix of 100 and a frequency of 76. For low pass, you're going to need a mix of 100 and a frequency of 75. Lastly, equalizer. Mix of 100, low frequency 65, gain low frequency 20, mid frequency 65, gain mid frequency 10, high frequency 65, gain high frequency 5. And that's what you're going to need for this video. I will leave a voice download link in the description. And without further ado, let's go to a quick demonstration of how it sounds. And then yeah, we'll finish it up.
Excuse my sudden visit, but I saw your fiasco on a picture show and I couldn't resist. What a performance! Why, I haven't been that entertained since the stock market crash of 1929. Why does anyone do anything? Sheer, absolute boredom. It's the purest kind, my dear. Reality, true passion. After all, the world is a stage, and a stage is a world of entertainment. Consider it an investment in ongoing entertainment myself. I want to watch the scum of the world struggle to climb up the hill of betterment, only to repeatedly trip and tumble down the fiery pit of failure. So, it's a deal then? Smile, my dear. You know, you're never fully dressed without one. No, I don't think so. Maybe.
There you have it. That is my attempt at doing Alastor's voice from Hazbin Hotel. I hope you liked it. If you have any other suggestions, put them in the comments. I'll try to respond to all of them. Anyways, again, if you enjoyed it, thank you. If you liked it, you can always consider leaving a like on the video. I'm not going to force you. Your choice. And yeah, hope you have a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or night. Goodbye.